Hello, how are you doing? Well, here we've got the Chronicles of Narnia movie review. So imagine that you have to complete all this review. Okay, you have to complete the introduction, the plot, es el argumento, the characters, the cast of performances, the settings, the soundtrack, special effects, filming, scenes, overall opinion, yes, and your recommendation. Again, these are some aspects, some sections, yes, in which we can divide. Okay, the other day we were working with Spider-Man, and then students provided their own reviews, and I asked them to choose between 6 or 7, okay, sections. So let's concentrate on some of them. How? All right, I have prepared a slide for some of them. Hmm, Not all, not all. This is the first video. So here we've got the movie, the overall opinion. So use these adjectives and sentences to share your opinions about the Chronicles of Narnia. So you can choose from positive and negative adjectives. Amazing, entertaining, captivating, memorable, impressive, enjoyable, spectacular, fascinating, magical, unforgettable, or negative, okay? Disappointing, predictable, overrated, confusing, slow paced, underwhelming, repetitive, unoriginal, forgettable. Forgettable, I mean, me muero si eligen uneven. Some ideas about overall, I found the movie captivating and memorable. Although it was visually spectacular, some parts were predictable. You see that you can combine positive and negative, all right? Now let's jump onto the characters. Positive, courageous, brave, determined, sympathetic, fascinating, complex, believable, believable. Tiene B corta y bien en Spanish. Memorable, likable. Ve que algunos se repiten con lo que era la movie, ¿no? Inspiring, ese es hermoso ese adjective. Negative, irritating, selfish, predictable, unconvincing, underdeveloped, stereotypical, annoying, one-dimensional, unrealistic, forgettable. Okay, so you complete the characters are blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah. Again, you can also combine positive and negative, okay? It's your opinion. Now, positive, talented, well chosen, convincing, impressive, outstanding, perfectly suited, charismatic, natural, or negative. This is the cast, okay? Poorly chosen, qué feo eso, unconvincing, miscast, inexperienced, awkward. Pues por ahí no combina con el actor, ¿no? Con el papel. Unsuitable. Hmm? So the cast is blah blah blah, and the actors fit their characters. All right. Now let's see this one. Reviews, adjectives, performances, acting. We are in section 4. Positive, outstanding, convincing, powerful, natural, emotional, believable, engaging, expressive, memorable, impressive. Negative, we've got wooden. Eso debe ser, ¿no? Una actuación de madera. Exaggerated, awkward, unconvincing, emotionless, forced, inconsistent, flat, chato, ¿no? Una actuación chata. The performances are emotional and convincing, especially during dramatic scenes. We've got a little more. Plot. Regarding the plot, positive, exciting, engaging, imaginative, gripping, adventurous, unpredictable, original, well-developed, dramatic, compelling. Plot es el argumento, okay? Negative, predictable, complicated, confusing, slow, repetitive, unrealistic, rushed, simplistic, cliche-ridden. So the plot is imaginative and gripping, although some events are predictable. Now, storyline, positive, fascinating, coherent, engaging, compelling, thought provoking. I like it. Imaginative, well structured, entertaining. Negative, confusing, disjointed, predictable, simplistic, repetitive, poorly developed, unrealistic. So it says the storyline is fascinating and compelling, although some parts feel predictable. And there is a difference on the right. The plot, the main events, the storyline, how those events develop and connect. Interesting, okay? So the soundtrack. This is the last one we've got. Now we reached 6, 7. Okay. Positive, atmospheric, haunting. Yes, powerful, moving, dramatic, memorable, enchanting, epic. A nice adjective to use. Short, and you will remember it. Emotional, majestic, repetitive, distracting, excessive, forgettable, monotonous, inappropriate, overwhelming. The epic and atmospheric soundtrack perfectly complements the magical world of Narnia. All right, and very fast, I'll move on to one example. Very fast. I don't want to show you. So when we finish with the whole list, I will show you that example. All right. So what adjectives would you be using? What adjectives would you use to complete the Chronicles of Narnia? All right. We have a lot, and there are more to come. Okay. So see you next video. Remember to use them. Try to change, not use always the same. That's the idea. Okay. Well, rock your English. Bye bye.